Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Dila Fariska and my student ID 23015033. Today I will present my mid-semester examination English 3. The topic is my presentation is complex sentence, adverb clause and adjective clause. Introduction to clauses in English that will be discussed. 1. Definition of adverb clause. 2. Several types of subordinating conjunction and examples. 3. Definition of adjective clause. 4. Relative pronoun and relative adverbs. 5. Essential versus non-essential clauses. What is an adverb clauses? Understanding dependent clauses and their function. Definition: an adverb clause is a dependent clause that functions as an adverb and gives extra information about time, action, contrast, condition, or manner. Notes: 1. Cannot stand alone. 2. Uses subordinating conjunction. Subordinating conjunction. Understanding K conjunction vibes to compare. 1 after first one or as soon as. 2. When versus whenever. 3. When versus by the time. 4. Because versus know that. 5. Even though versus even if. After first on or as soon as. Understanding event timing in clause. Explanation: 1. After event happens later. 2. Once or as soon as. Event happens immediately. Ulang dari 2. Once or as soon as. Event happens immediately after. Examples: 1. After I finish my homework, I sleep. 2. As soon as the rain stops, we'll leave. When versus whenever. Understanding specific and general timing. Explanation: 1. When specific time. 2. Whenever, anytime, or every time. Examples: 1. When he arrives, call me. 2. Whenever she travels, she takes photos. When versus when the time. Understanding K difference in usage. Explanation: 1. When the moment and event happens. 2. When the time before or not later than a moment. Example: 1. When I saw him, he smiled. 2. By the time I arrived, class had started. Because versus know that. Understanding listening is complex sentence. Explanation: 1. Because general reason. 2. Know that reason based on a new condition. Example: 1. She stayed home because she was sick. 2. Know that the exam is over, I can relax. Even though versus even if. Understanding real facts and condition. Explain: 1. Even though real fact. 2. Even if possible condition. Example: even though it was raining, the plan. 2. Even if rains, we will go. What is an adjective clause? Definition: a dependent clause that describes a noun, uses relative pronouns or relative adverb. Relative pronouns. Understanding their uses in tenses. Who. The pronoun who is used to refer to people as the subject of a clause. Example: the teacher who inspired me is returning. Whom. The pronoun whom is used to refer to people as the object of a clause. Example: the student whom I advise received an award. Which. The pronoun which is used to refer to animals or things, often in non-defining clauses. Example: the book which was on the shelf is fascinating. Who. People subject. Whom. People object. Which. Animal or things. That. General people or thing. Whose. Possession. Example: the girl who won the contest is my friend. relative adverbs, understanding place, time, and reason, where the relative adverb where is used to indicate a place. For example, this is the cafe where we usually study. Specifies the location relate to the action. When, the relative adverb when refers to a specific time. An example is, I remember the day when we first met. Highlighting the moment like to the memory. Why, the relative adverb why explains to reason for something. For instance, I understand the reason why she left early, clarifies the cause behind her action. Where, place, when, time, why, reason. Example, this is the cafe where we usually study. Essential clause. Identify the noun is sentence. Definition. An essential clause is a necessary part of a sentence, providing crucial information to identify the noun, its motive, and cannot be removed without changing the sentence meaning. Example 1. The car that bought is expensive. 2. Students who study hard success. Non-essential clauses, providing extra information with comma. Definition. Non-essential clause add extra information to a sentence. They provide details but are not necessary for the sentence meaning. Such clauses are set off by commas. Example 1. My brother who lives in Jakarta is visiting. 2. The museum, which was built in 1820, is famous. Thank you for watching. Thank you for taking the time to watch my presentation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.